Abdomen treatment. Apply and rub oil on abdomen with hands 3 times. Rub stomach back and forth with both hands 3 to 5 times. Knead abdomen with both hands using chiropractic techniques 3 times. Lift daimai on both sides of waist with both hands alternately 16 times. Move hands as if writing figure 8 on waist 3 times. Overlap hands and massage the intestinal canal clockwise 3 times. Push on the following acupoints: 上脘、中脘、下脘、神阙、气海、关元、天枢、大横 2 times. Move hands in circular motion and caress the treatment area 3 times. Alternate hands in pushing the collaterals. 人脉 2 inches away, 肾经 4 inches away, 胃经 6 inches away, 脾经 8 inches away, 肝经 2 sides, 胆经 3 times. Starting from 中极 point, push both thumbs to belly navel, slide them to waist and then lift upwards to growing 3 times. RF operation. Starting from one side of the waist, lift the probe to abdomen and growing in lines with one line next to another 3 times. Repeat the previous operation on the other side 3 times. Move the device on abdomen in small then big circular motions 3 to 5 times. Move the probe to shape the waist as if writing figure 8 3 to 5 times. Combined with hand, lift daimai on both sides of the waist 16 times. Repeat the same techniques with ultrasonic operation. Back treatment. Apply oil on the back and press 风池 and 丰腹 points. Starting from hairline, stroke 大阪经 with thumb 3 to 5 times. Move thumb outwards from 膀胱经 to 八髎 area and then to 风池 and 丰腹 point. Starting from neck to caudal vertebra, move hands in S shape 3 times. Push 膀胱经 with thumb in left-right order 3 times. Push 膀胱经 to 八髎 area with both thumbs at the same time 3 times. Push 膀胱经 in 3 kneeling fingers 3 times. Push scapula slot with both hands alternately in left-right order 3 to 6 times. Push scapula slot with both hands horizontally 3 to 6 times. Caress the back with both hands and push 风池 and 丰腹 points 3 times. Overlap both thumbs and push 天宗 point and slide to the arms 3 times. Repeat the previous action on the other arm 3 times. RF operation. Starting from 督脉 to 膀胱经, move the device from neck to 八髎 area 3 to 5 times. Move the probe in circles on 大椎 point and 八髎 area 3 to 5 times respectively. From 大阪经 to neck, move the probe back and forth 3 to 5 times. Lift the device on scapula slot in left-right order 3 to 5 times. Move the device horizontally as if writing figure 8 to 八髎 area 3 times. Move the device upwards in annual motion to armpit in left-right order on both sides 3 times. Repeat the same techniques with vacuum RF operation.